I want you to repeat after me, but I really want you to ask these pātai in a really inquisitive way. Listen to how I say it and have a go at repeating what I say. He aha tēnei, he aha tēnā, he aha tērā. Can you hear the inquisitive tone in my voice? Good stuff. Now let's try the same 3 pātai, but this time I want you to sound a little bit more sarcastic. Repeat after me. He aha tēnei, he aha tēnā, he aha tērā. Again, tone of voice makes a huge difference. None of these things are unique to te reo Māori, of course, but I think it's still worth pointing out. Okay, now let's move on to answering these pātai. To answer, all we have to do is replace the word aha with the thing. For example, we might say, he whare tēnei. This is a whare, a house. Or he motoka tērā. That over there is a motoka, a car. Or he pene tēnā. That near you, the listener, that's a pen. He pene. Let's try a couple more. The Māori word for bird is manu. Let's say you and I are out for a hikoi, a walk, and we see a nice big fat kereru fly by. I might ask you, he aha tērā, what is that? And you could respond by just saying, he manu tērā, which would be absolutely correct. But if it's a kereru, you might actually be able to say, he kereru tērā, which means that is a kereru, which we totally bang on as well. Let's just cover off one last example before we wrap this session up. For this, I want you to pause the video and go and grab one random object, like a pen or a book or a phone. It can be anything, just whatever's in arm's reach. Off you go, I'll wait. Now, if you know the kupu Māori for that object, that's great. If not, just pause, take a few seconds and look up māoridictionary.com and find the kupu Māori for the thing that you've now got in your hand. All right, welcome back. Okay, so you should be holding something in your hands. Now you also should know the kupu Māori for the thing that you've got in your hand. Very shortly, I'm going to ask you one simple pātai, which is going to be he aha tēnā, which means what is that thing that you've got? And I want you to wait for me to ask the pātai, and then I want you to hold the thing and I want you to answer. Are you ready? He aha tēnā. Awesome e hoa.